can we talk about TikTok Shop, please? I need to just do a confessions. Okay. I stay on TikTok Shop. I love TikTok Shop. Never thought it would be me. I was always like, I'm not doing that. Okay. I'm just going over to Amazon. Ain't nobody about to play with TikTok Shop. They get me every single time. And when somebody gets me, I got to figure out how to get them back. I got to figure out how to then make money on that platform. If you have been a victim of TikTok Shop and buying on there, comment TikTok, just so I know I'm not alone. But today, if you're interested in actually dominating using TikTok Shop, this video is for you. I'm going to teach you how to actually create a product that sells. All right. This video is not going to be the walkthrough, but if you do want a full walkthrough on how you can create a product for no money and sell it on TikTok Shop, comment walkthrough, and I will do that video for you as a follow-up. So comment walkthrough if you want to know how to do that. Today, this video, I need you to stay tuned if you're interested to know how to make the money. Okay, because I can do a walkthrough for you. I can teach you how to go from start to finish. But if you don't know how to make the money, you're just going to have a product on TikTok Shop. And I never want that for you. I want you to actually know how to create something and make money from it. All right. So I'm going to give you my formula today. This works whether you are on TikTok Shop or not, but this will be specifically for TikTok. All right. Because it's winning right now. People are making a lot of money. 6 figures, 7 figures. I know somebody who was making $40,000 a month and she was selling other people's products. So if you're trying to make any type of money on TikTok Shop, hear me out, listen, ask questions, and take notes. First things first, how are you going to actually begin with no money? We're going to use my print-on-demand partner, Printify, and get started for no money today. So comment Printify if you want to use my link. It'll take you straight to Printify. You can sign up. You don't need your credit card or nothing like that. They have over 1,000 products. Right? Over 1,000 products that you can sell literally today. So this is going to take the stress and worry out of, what do I sell? How do I sell it? I don't have the money to sell it, and I really want to do this right now, especially if you've been spending your money on TikTok Shop. We need to get you making some money. So sign up for Printify. So let's talk about how to dominate on TikTok Shop in 2026. The first thing that you have to do is think about what is trending. So I have an example for you. I'm going to use my example today, and that is clean girl organization. Let's say organized bathrooms, right? Organized cosmetics. So I have a cosmetic bag here for this very reason. So that is going to be our example of a trend today. So follow me when I give you this formula. So the first part is trend. The second part is problem. People skip over problems all the time, and they want to create a business. They want to create a brand, and they don't get any sales. No matter what it is that you want to sell to people, hear me when I say you have to solve a problem. That's business. So think about what problem you are actually solving for people. Now for this specifically, you are solving the problem of clutter. You're solving the problem of a bathroom looking cluttered, and people want to be organized because organization helps you to not be stressed. So that is our example in our formula. Next is going to be your products. That's where Printify comes in. So we're going to look on Printify and we're going to find things that will help to solve the problem. Okay. So that's going to be like coordinated toiletry bags, anything, cosmetic pouches, towels, accessories. How do we get more organized in the bathroom? That's what we're going to find on Printify. Instead of just finding something to sell, remember we are solving a problem. So the next part in the formula is your actual store. What are you all about? What do people get when they come and find you, or when they ask you, what are you selling online? You're like, oh, I have an aesthetic bathroom organization brand. Like, what? I want an aesthetic bathroom. And then they come to find you for that specifically. And then lastly, when it comes to your sales on TikTok, you could do videos that are like before or after. So it could be before you got organized with our new brand. And then after, now look at how your life is so much easier, how you can find everything, how the bags help you to organize yourself, how you have more time in the morning to spend with your family and you're not rushing anymore. That is how you sell to people, okay? It's not just giving people a product and saying, go buy this, please. It is you saying, here is the problem that I am helping you solve. So now give me money because I'm helping you to make your life easier. That's business. And that is how people are making the 6, 7, 8 figures on TikTok Shop right now, because they know how to answer those questions. So I have another example for you that I came up with because I want to really help you get started today, especially if you are spending your money on TikTok Shop, or I don't care, Amazon, other stores, wherever. This is how you're going to make money. So staying in that same makeup bag, bathroom organization, right? You're not just selling a makeup bag. Right? I bought this because it's Bays. I know the brand. They're a travel company. I want it to be more organized. I like that it looks sleek. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get this. I know the brand. I trust the brand, whatever, right? But if you want to sell a makeup bag, I want you to remember that you're not just selling a product. You're selling an identity. And I want you to tap into that, whether it's a makeup bag or something else that you find on Printify. So I have some other examples for you, especially for the ladies who are thinking about doing something like the example I gave you today. So here are some other examples: the hot mess makeup bag, bridal makeup bags, gym girl toiletry bags, travel beauty bags, skincare obsessed girl aesthetic, and personalized name and initial beauty bags, because people love that. We love to have our name on a bag, okay? Like, oh, look at, so cute. So these are just a few examples on how you can take a very simple idea, a free product from Printify, or a product that you can start and sell for free, and actually make money from it. And like I said, if you want a full walkthrough on how we can get from Printify to setting up the TikTok, then comment walkthrough and I will do that for you. But take these notes and do your research and your homework so that once we actually put the store up and your TikTok shop is live, that you will have customers, okay? Because I don't want to hear, I don't have anybody coming to buy for me, because a lot of times people are not solving a problem. So here is your homework today. I want you to think about the problem that you are going to solve with your new brand. What is that going to be? And why? If you need help, I would suggest jumping on Chat or Claude or Gemini, one of your AI BFFs, and asking for help with your problem that you're going to solve and the niche that is going to solve it, and then jump on Printify and find the product to sell to those people. If this was confusing, if you need some help with it, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments. And I am wishing you so much luck on your journey. I'm cheering you on for a very successful new brand or existing brand that you are putting on TikTok Shop now, because a lot of people do that. You can add your existing brand on some products, put it on Printify, and sell out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, let me know if you have any questions below.